Question 21. Find the difference quantity 11p minus 6q squared minus q minus the quantity q squared minus 5p plus 7p squared. Okay, on the first one, we can just drop the parentheses. But for the second one, we have this minus sign here in the middle. So we have to distribute it to all the terms in the second parentheses. To distribute a minus sign means to change the sign of everything that's inside the parentheses. So it becomes minus q squared. Up here we had minus 5p, so it becomes plus 5p. To begin with, we had minus 7p. We had plus 7p squared, so that becomes minus 7p squared. Okay, now we'll collect like terms. We'll start with the q squares. So we have a minus 6q squared and a minus q squared. So minus 6 minus 1q squared is minus 7q squared. For p squared, we have just the minus 7p squared. For q, all we have is minus q. For p, we have a positive 11p and a plus 5p. So 11 plus 5, that's plus 16p. And when we look at the choices that are on the paper, they start with the p terms. So we're going to take the negative 7p squared minus 7q squared plus 16p minus q. And that is answer D on the multiple choice. Okay, problem number 22. Find the product negative 4r to the 5th times 2r squared minus 5r minus 3. So we're going to distribute this negative r to the 5th times each of the terms inside the parentheses. So we have negative 4r to the 5th times the first term, which is 2r squared, plus negative 4r to the 5th times the second term, which is negative 5r, plus negative 4r to the 5th times negative 3. Okay, negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. We're multiplying the variables, so we're going to add the exponents. So that's r to the 7th. Plus negative 4 times negative 5 is positive 20. R to the 5th times r to the 4th. Add the exponents, that's r to the 6th. Plus negative 4 times negative 3 is 12. And then we have r to the 5th. So that is your answer. Question 23. Find the product of r minus 7 times r plus 4. We're going to use the FOIL method. Remember, FOIL stands for first, outer, inner, last. So the first term, we're going to distribute it. So r times r plus r times positive 4. Now we'll do the last term. Plus negative 7 times r plus negative 7 times 4. And now we just have to simplify. So r times r, you add exponents, so that's r squared. R times 4 is 4r. Negative 7 times r is minus 7r. Negative 7 times 4 is minus 28. Now we have two like terms that we can collect. So that equals r squared plus 4 minus 7 is minus 3r minus 28. Question 24. Find the factors of the number 28. Then classify the number as prime or composite. Now remember, factors means all the numbers that divide evenly into the given number. So we want to think of numbers that divide into 28. Well, we can do 1 times 28. 28 is also 2 times 14. 4 times 7. So our factors are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, and 28. And this is a composite number because a prime number has only the factors 1 and itself.